Greetings, AI entrepreneurs. Thank you for checking today's newsletter. I stumbled upon this easy method to craft engaging quiz videos for TikTok using ChatGPT and Canva, and it's been a game changer for my daily income. This side hustle not only allows me to earn through ads and affiliate marketing on a global scale, but also lets me merge my creativity with technology. I generate trivia content with ChatGPT, design it with Canva templates, and publish on TikTok to monetize my efforts. Here's how I go about monetizing my content. My journey begins with Canva, where I select a quiz template that jumpstarts my video creation. I then use ChatGPT to come up with trivia questions that make my content both engaging and informative. Once my content is ready, I share my videos on TikTok, tapping into a wide audience to maximize ad revenue and affiliate marketing opportunities. Finding the perfect template involves me logging into Canva and typing quiz template in the search bar to sift through various designs. I pick one that aligns with my trivia theme, paying close attention to its layout, color scheme, and overall vibe to ensure it grabs the audience's attention. After choosing my template, I dive into Canva's editor to tweak it to my liking, altering text, colors, and adding elements that complement my quiz questions. My goal is to personalize the template while keeping the content captivating. For each quiz video, I prepare multiple slides for the questions and their answers. I duplicate the initial slide and customize each one for the different questions, maintaining a cohesive design to keep things professional and engaging. To generate engaging content, I prompt ChatGPT to churn out trivia questions on topics of my choice, specifying the kind of questions I want. Once I have the questions and answers, I incorporate them into my Canva slides, ensuring the text is legible and well arranged. To boost engagement, I get ChatGPT to provide interesting facts or explanations for each answer, which I add to the answer reveal slides. This not only informs my audience, but also makes the quiz more interactive. To maximize my exposure and earnings on TikTok, I've set up an account tailored to my quiz content niche, with an appealing bio and profile picture. When I upload my quiz videos, I craft engaging captions to encourage viewers to interact, like participating in the quiz or sharing their results, and use relevant hashtags to enhance video visibility. Monetizing through ads and affiliate marketing kicks in once my account gains traction. I explore TikTok's creator fund for ad revenue and use affiliate marketing by linking to relevant products or services in my bio or video descriptions. This dual approach boosts my earnings from each video. This journey into content creation has shown me rapid growth, with many creators meeting TikTok's monetization requirements in just weeks. The success stories are inspiring, with accounts skyrocketing from a few thousand to millions of views, leading to significant earnings through TikTok's ad program and affiliate commissions. But why stop at TikTok? I've expanded my monetization channels to include affiliate marketing, creating a dual income stream that maximizes my earning potential regardless of location. To dive into affiliate marketing, I visited www.clickbank.com, created a free account, selected products to promote, grabbed my affiliate links, and started including them in every TikTok post. This AI-driven venture is at the crossroads of creativity, technology, and entrepreneurship. By harnessing ChatGPT and Canva, I've turned simple quiz videos into a significant income stream, highlighting the vast opportunities in digital content creation. Whether it's through TikTok's ad program or affiliate marketing, the potential for monetization is vast, inviting others to explore this profitable venture. I didn't stop at TikTok. I also started posting my quiz videos on YouTube. Quiz video channels on YouTube have seen a surge in popularity. Once my channel reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I began monetizing my quiz videos with YouTube ads. And while I was waiting for my channel to grow, I included my ClickBank affiliate links in the description of each quiz video, generating affiliate income right from the start. Have fun with this, everybody. There is nothing but fantastic passive income in front of you. Now get to it.